Hi guys, today I am back with one more new science experiment, that is rocket. Yes, you heard right. Today we will see how to make a rocket without fire. Amazing thing in this is you can make this only using household things. So let's start. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it so that you will be notified whenever we upload the video. For this, you need a vinegar, some baking soda, a cork, a tissue and an empty bottle. Now you have to put some vinegar into the bottle. Yes, now it's okay. Now you have to put some baking soda on the tissue. Now you have to fold it carefully and ensure that there is no leak. Now you have to keep this tissue here. And fix this cork like this. Yes, now it's time to launch it. For launching, you just have to turn it upside down and see the magic.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Guys, did you see that? The reason behind this is when we mix vinegar and baking soda, carbon dioxide is evolved in this process and that exerts pressure. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was nice, then please like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.